I always talk about the manufacturing is obviously the largest sector of the workforce in the state of Iowa, head of agriculture. So it really is the largest demographic of our workforce as well.
Very proud of the company and the people in the company, because certainly the people are what really make this company. We have been, as I mentioned to Donovan, we've been here since '99. I've owned the company since '98. The company was formed back in about 1996. The business is primarily making firefighters protective clothing and specifically making structural turnout gear. That's our keystone product at Veridian. That's what we started making. That's our core product. As I say, the businesses continue to grow. We've had a tremendous experience having Veridian located here. So it's been a tremendous opportunity for Veridian to be in Spencer. It's worked out really well, and we're looking forward to continuing.
As it grew, the key things about is finding good people. Managers and employees, you look out there and you walk through there, and the thing that I see, all these young people that have started here that with no skill set, what the skill set they have today. That's amazing if you really think about it, how they do stuff.
Late 70s, early 80s, guys that were racing were looking for a wider wheel to put on their race car, and they really couldn't find anything. But the agriculture, we made wider wheels. We made 6, 7, 8 inch, even 10 inch wide rims for agriculture stuff. And so these racer guys would buy our rims, and we started making our own wheels and selling directly to the racers, to the distributors, to dealers. And one of our big pushes we were able to accomplish was to get into NASCAR. And really the bulk of our business is for steel wheels that are used on the everyday racer, like the guys that are racing in Fairmont or Jackson, the dirt tracks, the asphalt tracks that are all over the United States. That's the biggest part of our business.
It's kind of a typical history that you hear from a lot of all small companies. It started with, my father started it in a one-car garage in a suburb of Des Moines, and originally he was from Northwest Iowa and decided he'd come back, and he liked Storm Lake, he liked the community, and they got together with the city fathers and helped him build the original building. So anyway, it's all part of growing within the industry. You try to do something new and develop and innovate and create new things that others don't have, and they answer needs and problems. And the more you can do that, and the better you can do a better job at doing it, the more you're going to grow, and the more you're going to end up taking all those next steps to getting bigger and bigger and bigger and making it better for everyone.